This is verse 3 of the 13th chapter, the Gospel of Matthew. Matthew setting up the story of Jesus delivering parables. Jesus is pushed out into the water a bit for the purpose of being a little bit separate from the crowd so that he can address them all kind of at arm's length and be more easily heard. And of course, the probably most famous parable he tells becomes the introductory parable, one that is more or less thematic for much else that Jesus will say in parables. So beginning here in verse 3, kai, the connective, elaleisen from laleo, I speak. This is the third person singular active indicative, so he was speaking or he was saying. Indirect object, autois, to them, dative, plural. Masculine, he was saying to them, pola. This is from an adjective that means much or many. This is the neuter plural, so many things would be the idea, using it substantively. So he was saying to them many things. It's the direct object, the accusative of the verb. In parabolais, in parables. So he was saying many things to them in parables. And of course, the implication is we only have a small fraction of all that he said. By that means, legon, from lego, I say. This is a present active participle. Singular, nominative, masculine, going with the subject of the sentence, which is Jesus. So he was saying many things to parables, saying to them, idu, interjection, behold or look, exaelthen, from exergamai, I go out. Third version singular, aorist, active indicative, he went out. And then ho speiron, this is from the verb speiro, which means I sow, as in planting seeds. With the definite article, the sowing one would be the idea, present participle. So the sowing one. And then to, this is a genitive of purpose is the idea. Same verb here, speirein, in the present infinitive. So the sower went out for the purpose of sowing, or to sow is the idea. This is kind of an articular infinitive. The act of sowing would be the notion. And so it introduces, of course, one of the most famous of Jesus' parables concerning the way in which the Word of God is distributed in the world, as if a sower were going out sowing seed.